Siyempre, masaya ulit. Siyempre, nag-rank 1 kami. I think may konting advantage kasi lower rank yung mga kalaban mo. Pero sa tingin ko, ito yung time na hindi na pwedeng mag-relax talaga kasi puro may knockout din na, na mangyayari. So, I think ito yung part na talaga dapat yung 110% namin, ibigay na namin. Kasi tapos na elimination, so magpe-prepare kami for quarterfinals.
Thank you, Coach. And for Adeline, 16 points in this game for Cleveland.
Wow.
Medyo intense yung second set, pero nakuha niyo pa rin yung panalo. So, personally lang, paano yung nag-motivation mo heading into this game?
Personally, my motivation was our practices. During our training kasi head-to-head din talaga yung mga counter-attacks namin. So I think we were able to actually implement everything na pinractice namin to the game today. So, yun ang motivation namin kasi kung gaano kahirap yung practice, sana madala namin yung napag-aralan namin dito sa game. So, luckily, fortunately, we finished that long second set.
Thank you. And for Lance, you had 18 points in this game.
Woo!
Anong second set, ikaw din yung isa sa bumuhay sa team. So, ano lang yung feeling na ito nga, nakuha niyo itong panalo against Canaries?
Well, same with Adeline, we're happy na nakabawi kami dun sa, nakuha natin yung second set. And coach has been telling me then kung anong gagawin. Like, yun, medyo nakita niyo madaming drop balls ako na ginawa this game. Minsan, niremind niya lang ako kasi minsan nakakalimutan ko kasi sa training pag naglalaro kami hindi na nag-work yung drop ball talaga. Kasi grabe talaga yung laro kahit kami-kami lang yung magkakalaban. So, yun, I would say it's because of Coach Sherwin na ginaib niya rin ako personally dun sa game na to. And hinayaan niya lang din kami na mag-decide kung ano yung mga gagawin namin at the moment nung time na yun. So, yun, at the end of the day, yun nga, paulit-ulit kami yung sistema ni Coach Sherwin, pero sa totoo lang talaga, nag-work talaga siya for us, so we just keep on doing it.
Yes.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Sa players, after mag-fall short nung against PLDT nung Saturday, paano lang kayo nag-bounce back? Ano lang yung naging mindset nyo papunta this game?
Oh.
Nakalimutan ko.
Huh?